Hello again, friends, and welcome this time to the Sunshine State. We're on vacation this week, but we thought we'd take a little time to stop by one of Florida's covered bridges. Florida only has a handful of covered bridges. Literally, I think you can count all of the bridges in the entire state, covered bridges, on one hand. This bridge behind me is the Princess Place covered bridge in the Princess Place Preserve, which is near Palm County, Florida, also located in Flagler County. Built in 2013 at a length of 45 feet over Stiles Creek, this is a very popular bridge in a very amazing setting. So let's take a closer look. Let's fly.